Hello and welcome to the Big Star Little Star YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reading the poem My Sister's Eating Porridge by John Coldwell. This is one of the poems for the 74th Hong Kong School Speech Festival 2022. It's in the solo verse speaking Primary 3 Boys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you would like any help preparing for the speech festival, please get in contact with us by WhatsApp, email, or Facebook, and we'd love to help you prepare to give your best performance for the festival. My Sister's Eating Porridge by John Coldwell. My sister's eating porridge. It's going everywhere. Up her nose and down her front, a dollop in her hair. My sister's eating porridge. She's missed her mouth again. Now it's dripping off her spoon like lumpy porridge rain. My sister's eating porridge, and most is on the floor. No wonder she is hungry and crying out for more. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.